Pretty hot, huh? Silverwood Theme Park, Idaho.
Greetings, fellow explorers. Professor Annabelle McGillicuddy is my name, and finding Bigfoot is my game. Now, I am a fresh off foot from London, certified cryptozoologist, and I'm very excited to be leading you on this expedition to find Sasquatch. Normally, to get the engineer started, Marshall Jack likes to have everyone make some noise. But instead, I prefer to say a nice tally-ho. So let's try it all together on 3. 1, 2, 3, tally-ho! Oh dear, thumbs down. Look, unfortunately, the engineers are very stubborn, so I'm afraid we won't be going anywhere. Yes, thank you, man, for that very enthusiastic. Oh no, but don't worry, we have one more chance. Let's try it one more time as loud as you possibly can. 1, 2, 3, tally-ho! Wonderful, simply wonderful. All right, engineers, the platform is clear. All passengers are secure and the gates are open. Let's take them out. And we are off. Does Marshall Jack put it? Oh yes, I've heard of turtle. Although, strictly speaking, turtles don't traffic birds. I suppose it's a matter of semantics. Oh, look, it's Banjo Sick. Hello. We'll be playing when we get back. Wonderful. Be sure to stop by the High Moon Saloon. They have great food, great music, and they are family friendly. And yes, do be sure to wave to everyone on the platform as we pass. After all, it's maybe the last time you ever see them. Alright, by show of hands, how many of you this is your first expedition? Oh, quite a few of you! Wonderful, that's wonderful news! It's my first expedition too! Normally, I spend most of my time in the library, but field work is very exciting.